What's up guys, welcome to another video on the Gold Rush channel. If you're actually new to the channel, here we drop the best of the best trading view indicators that will give you consistent profits from the Forex market. So if you're actually interested in getting notifications whenever we drop a new video, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell icon so that you can be notified immediately we drop a new video. Now, in addition to this channel, we also have our Telegram channel where we drop free Forex signals on a daily basis. We drop free Forex signals on a daily basis. Free, completely free to all our subscribers. You see the whole market, you see the signals, buy, and the profits afterwards. This is where we're doing it, guys. Completely free. Completely free. You're not paying a dime. Okay, let's get into the video. So we'll be using EURUSD today, 5 minutes time frame, and basically we'll be using 3 different indicators today. We'll be using a trend indicator, a stop loss indicator, and this TTS indicator right here. Basically, let me show you how everything is done step by step. Let's start from the stop loss indicator. This stop loss indicator now is what we'll actually use to calculate our stop loss instead of using probably the highest high or the lowest low. This has already calculated where your stop loss should be and have taken care of the whole stress of looking for your stop. I'll show you guys how it's actually effective. Now the second indicator is this trend indicator. As you can see, as I switched it on, it came out with this arrows: red, green, red, green, and so on and so forth. Basically, the last indicator is this TTS indicator right here. Now, this TTS indicator actually shows overbought and oversold. Overbought region, oversold region. Actually, let's just dive into the whole strategy. Okay, I can see a sell right here. The first thing we're actually looking for is this red signal right here indicating a sell. That's the first thing we will be looking for. Red indicating a sell. Now, once you get that, the second thing you're going to look out for is if this has hit the oversold region. And once it hit the oversold region, it will show red right here. As you can see, let's see if I can pull a line. Vertical line. Right here, you can see it turned red immediately. It showed the signal. So basically, we have actually gotten the entry or the signal to enter the trade. Then you can bring in your stop loss indicator right here, and the risk to reward ratio is 1:1.5. 1:1.5 risk to reward ratio. So short position down here, stop loss is up here, and take profits should be, let's see, somewhere here. So let's see if it hits. Driving down, and it hits beautifully. 1:1.5 risk to reward ratio achieved. So let's actually see if we can get another one. Okay, here's a buy. This is a clear buy. and if you check, it's in the overbought region. Let me show you clearly so you can see it. Overbought region, buy signal out, stop loss right here. So we just take a long position. Stop loss is down here exactly. We're going for 1:1.5, and that is right here. Okay, and done. Beautifully done. That's done. Completely done. Let's see if we can get another signal. Okay, we have a buy signal here again. And it's in the overbought region. So 1:1.5. Stop loss right here. And you'll notice that this signal actually came out while you're still in the trade. So once this signal comes out, this sell signal, while you're still in this trade, you're still in profit, so you get out of the trade during that the market actually consolidated for a while and decided to switch up on you. So you got this signal while in this trade, you're still in profit, so you just leave the trade. Then next is the sell. That's the signal that actually made you leave the trade beforehand normally, and it's actually in the oversold region. Is where your stop losses here. Then 1:1.5. It's right here. Achieved. That's easy peasy. You're doing it good. That's what I'm saying. Profits. It's actually gonna get you consistent profits. So let me actually show you guys how to add the indicators and the settings for the indicator. So the first indicator is, let's add our complete trend trading system. This is the one at the bottom right here, complete trend trading system. The second indicator we'll be adding is trend buy sell 1M BitMEX. This one right here. This one we'll be adding by this month, and we'll tweak it up a little bit. This is settings. Come to factor, change this to 5, change this to 3. Then we switch this off 1, 2, 3. Okay. And then for our last indicator, we have stop loss. Stop loss indicator by Chamdex. Actually click on it, settings, we switch off the ATR, input, we change this to 50, we change this to 3. Now your setup is complete for your profits. Complete setup, profitable strategy, you're good to go. Basically, on the Gold Rush channel, I decided to give away $1,030 to $100 Forex account to its subscribers. All you have to do to qualify for this giveaway is to hit the subscribe button. Just hit the subscribe button and you will qualify to receive a $30 or $100 Forex account. Now, if this video was quite beneficial to you, if you like this video, all you have to do is drop a like, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification icon so that you can be notified when next we drop a new video. Season's greetings, guys.